I'm going to show you how to make a cocktail called Ragged Company. And when you see what the ingredients are, I think you'll understand why it is named so aptly. We're going to start off with our ice, which we'll pour into our glass, just like so. I like to rinse my ice first because it makes my drink taste that much better. So just pour some water on it, flip it upside down, and strain it in the kitchen sink, and voila, you have fresh, clean tasting ice. All right, now I'm going to add 2 ounces of bourbon. There we go, that's 1 and 2. And I'm using a jigger to measure this, which you can get at any liquor store or bar supply store. Next, I'm going to add a ½ ounce of sweet vermouth. Make sure you keep this refrigerated because it is a wine product. Fabulous. And then about a teaspoon of Benedictine, just like that. Next, I'm going to add 2 dashes of bitters. 1, 2, fabulous. And then I'm going to shake this up. There we go. Last but not least, I'm going to strain this into a cocktail or martini glass. And I'm going to garnish this with a twist of lemon peel. And I should be able to hang that right over the edge. Sort of. There you have it. Enjoy your Ragged Company. Cheers.